Hello viewers, welcome to my another video. Today I'll show how to hide your photos or lock your photos. So let's go. First go to your App Store. Search on App Store. Type private PRIVAULT. I also give this app link in my video description. Check my video description. Then click on search. Then you see a apps that name private hide private photos. Install it. When it install complete, click on open. After open this app, you need to create a password. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and per sentence. Repeat the passcode 1 2 3 4 5 6 per sentence. Okay. Now you see here some album picture. Click on it. Now you need to import photos for hide. Click on start importing. Click on camera roll. Click on OK. Then type 1 2 3 4 5 6 if passcode. Now I want to hide this photo. Click on import. If you want to remove this photo on your camera roll, click on OK or cancel it. Then go back your photos, click on it, and this photo I want to delete. Click on delete. Yes. Now this photo are stored in our private apps. So check it. Open this app. Type your passcode. Yes. Here the photos. For highly test, click on apps. Okay, click on it. Yes. Now you can also export this photo or save to camera roll these photos. Click on share icon here, then click on save to camera roll. Okay, now we check our photos. Yes. Thank you so much. Please subscribe for more videos.